Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install the OpenHands CLI and also use your OpenHands Cloud LLM Key with the CLI. So first thing I'm going to do is head over to the OpenHands GitHub repo. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see that there is an UV command here for installing the OpenHands CLI. Go ahead and enter that. And I've already installed it, so this should load up pretty quickly. But if you haven't installed it, it will spend a little bit of time downloading the necessary packages, and then you'll be ready to go. But you can see here I'm dropped into the CLI, and this is actually currently running locally on my machine. Um, so the first thing we need to do with the CLI is actually set up an LLM provider, and I can do that through the /settings command. Now, if I go ahead and click on the LLM settings, you can see that we actually support various different providers. There's an OpenHands provider, which we'll talk about today, but we also support many other providers like Anthropic, OpenAI, Mistral, etc. The next thing I'm going to do is actually log into OpenHands Cloud. You can see I'm already logged in, and I'm going to go head over to the settings page, click on API keys, and you'll see that we actually have this section called LLM API key. What this allows you to do is leverage the LLM API key for OpenHands so that you can actually reuse your existing credit balance with OpenHands. And I'll go ahead and copy that key. And because I've selected OpenHands here in the CLI, I'll go ahead and select my model. In this case, I'm going to use Claude Sonnet 4. And I'll go ahead and paste in my key, save that, and I'm ready to go. So what I'll do is I'll get started by doing the /new command and start with a clean slate. But the great thing now is I'm actually going to be leveraging my credit balance within OpenHands Cloud and using the CLI against that credit balance because I've configured the CLI here to use the OpenHands LLM provider. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a test.html file that displays the current time. I'm going to use HTML and JavaScript to do that. So this is obviously a very simple example, but this will kick off the CLI. And when the CLI begins executing commands, you'll have an option here to either proceed individually with each of those commands, reject it, or you can leverage our LLM risk analyzer, which will always confirm actions that have low or medium risk, but always prompt for high risk. And so this is the option that I tend to use going forward. And as it's running, you'll see that the credit balance will start kind of deducting as things go on. So here the agent's running, it's leveraging my OpenHands LLM provider key and also, deducting the credits as I go. And as you can see, the agent in the CLI has continued to do some work. My credit balance has continued to be deducted. And that's a little bit of how you can use the OpenHands CLI with your OpenHands Cloud account. Let us know what you think, and if there's any other features you'd like to see in the future between the CLI and OpenHands Cloud.